Hi there, fellow wanderers. We will explore one of the most famous areas. I am Aisyah Alivianti Rahmasani and Rizka Fitri will accompany you all to see the inside of France. Enjoy the show!
France is the country that captivates with its diverse nature beauty from the majestic Alps to the stunning Mediterranean coast. Known as a center of art, fashion, and gastronomy, France has a rich and diverse story from the time of majestic monarchies to innovative modern times. Its capital, Paris, is often considered the fashion capital of the world, with famous brands such as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Dior originating here. The city is also filled with stunning historical sites, such as the iconic Eiffel Tower, the magnificent Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre, one of the largest art museums in the world. However, French charms are not just limited to Paris. Each region has its own unique charms. In the Provence region, you can find the alluring beauty of villages, simmering lavender fields, and delicious traditional cuisine. On the French River, white sandy beach and sunshine beckon travel from all over the world. France is also known for its love of art and culture, from Impressionist art to classical music. France has produced many famous artists and organized various arts and culture festivals throughout the year. The history of France is rich with significant events that have shaped the nation's identity. It began with prehistoric time when various Gallic tribes inhabited the region. The Roman conquest broke Gaul under Roman rule, influencing its culture and society. With the fall of the Roman Empire, Frankish tribes, led by figures like Clovis, established the Merovingian and Carolingian dynasty. The Middle Ages saw the rise of the feudalism, the power struggle between the monarchy and the nobility, and the Hundred-Year War with England. The Renaissance brought cultural flourishing, followed by the absolute rule of monarchy like Louis XIV, who famously declared in English is "I am the state." And the 18th century witnesses the Enlightenment, which laid the intellectual groundwork for this French Revolution of 1789. This revolution overthrew the monarchy, established the First Republic, and marked the beginning of modern France. The revolution ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity had a profound impact on France and the world. Napoleon Bonaparte rise the power led to the Napoleonic era, characterized the military conquest and the spread of the revolutionary ideal across Europe. Despite his eventual defeat, Napoleon's legal and administrative reform leave a lasting legacy. And then the 19th century saw France undergo political instability with period of monarchy, republicanism, and imperialism. The country experienced industrialization and urbanization, leading to social and economic change. And the last is 20th century was marked by the devastation of the two world wars, occupation by Nazi Germany during World War II, and the struggle of liberation. France played a significant role in the founding of the European Union, seeking to promote peace and cooperation among European nations after the horror of war. Today, France is the diverse and influential nation known for its rich cultural heritage, contribution to art, literature, philosophy, and its commitment to democracy and human rights. The history of the French flag, known as the tricolor, is deeply rooted in one of the most significant periods in French history, the French Revolution of the 1789. At the time, profound social disparity and dissatisfaction with the authoritarian monarchy fueled a wave of profound change. The tricolor flag was chosen as a new symbol for the nation, aiming to create and distinct identity and promote the revolutionary principle that emerged during the French Revolution. The flag consists of three vertical stripes of blue, white, and red. Each color carries strong symbolic meaning. Blue represents liberty, white symbolizes equality, and red signifies fraternity. The use of the tricolor became increasingly prominent during the French Revolution, and on February 24, 1848, it was officially adopted as a national flag of France. Since then, it has become a symbol not only representing France as a nation but also embodying the revolutionary values cherished by the French people. For over 2 centuries since then, the tricolor has been an integral part of the French history and has been used in various contexts, from sporting events to state ceremonies. It is often raised as a sign of solidarity and national pride, especially during challenging times such as World War One and Two. On this day, the tricolor remains one of the most recognizable symbols of France worldwide, representing its rich history and crisis values.
Object destination of France. First is Eiffel Tower, second is Palace of Versailles, third is Louvre Museum, fourth is Arc de Triomphe, fifth is Cathedral Notre Dame de Paris. I will explain our object destination. First is Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is iconic landmark of Paris and France. The Eiffel Tower stands as a symbol of romance and engineering prowess. Built by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 World's Fair, it offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks. Second is Palace of Versailles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Palace of Versailles is a symbol of grandeur of French monarchy. Built during the 17th century, it served as the royal residence of Louis XIV and later became a symbol of excess and opulence. The palace's lavish architecture, magnificent garden, and rich history make it a must-visit destination near Paris. The last is Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum is one of the world's largest and most visited art museums. The Louvre House, an extensive collection of art and artifacts spanning from ancient civilization to the 19th century, home to iconic works like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. The museum is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces.
French culinary. French food is very different and famous for its deliciousness. Here are some typical French dishes and their explanation. Croissant, a round flaky crisp savory pastry made from layered buttered dough. Croissants are typically enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack in France. Escargot. Escargot lens snail cooked with garlic, butter, and other seasoning. Usually, escargot is served in its seal with garlic butter and parsley on top. Coq au vin. Coq au vin, a chicken dish cooked in red wine along with onions, mushroom, and other seasoning. This dish has a rich and deep flavor profile. Bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse, a traditional soup from the Provence regions made with various types of fish, shellfish, and other seafood cooked with spicy saffron, tomato, and olive oil. And then last, crepes. Crepes, thin pancakes that are typically folded or rolled, can be filled with a variety of filling regions from fruit jams, chocolate, cheese, to meat and vegetables. French is also renowned for its cheeses and wines. The country boasts a wide variety of cheeses, ranging from soft to hard, and French wines are estimated worldwide for their exceptional quality. All of this reflect the difference and high quality culinary culture of French.